Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English with Krishnaveni. Do you know sentences are made of 8 important parts? Let's learn them easily. 1. Noun. A noun is a naming word. Example, ram, book, school. 2. Pronoun. A pronoun replaces a noun. Example, he, she, it. 3. Verb. A verb shows action. Example, run, eat, play. 4. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun. Example, happy, big, red. 5. Adverb. An adverb describes a verb. Example, quickly, slowly. 6. Preposition. Shows position or place. Example, in, on, under. 7. Conjunction. Joins words or sentences. Example, and, but, because. 8. Interjection. Shows sudden feeling. Example, wow, oh. Together, these make your sentences complete and meaningful. Now you know parts of speech in a simple way. Follow Easy English with Krish.